Okay, suppose we are given two matrices, A and B. And you see two simple matrices, A and B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus some very small number. And B is 1, 2, 2, 4 plus some small number. So you see the only difference is these entries. This is 3 and this is 2. But when you do the computation, solving the linear system AX1 equal B and BX2 equal B, yeah, there will be a difference. And now the question is, which of the two computed solution is more accurate, X1 or X2? And we cannot say anything until we compute the condition number of the two matrices. So in order to compute the condition number, say suppose the condition number of the matrix A in the one norm, yeah, we have to compute the one norm of the matrix A, and then we have to compute the one norm of the A inverse. Yeah, so the one norm of the matrix A is the max of the column sums in absolute value. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and this one is 2 plus 4 plus 10 to the minus 10 is 6 plus 10 to the minus 10. And this one is just 6 plus 10 to the minus 10. Okay. And now for A inverse. So A inverse, well, first the matrix A inverse can be computed by a formula, and it will be minus 2, 1, 3 half, minus 1 half. Okay. And so the one norm of A inverse will be max of, the first column sum in absolute value will be like 2 plus 3 half, and the second one will be 1 plus 1 half, and the maximal value will be 7 half. So then the condition number of the matrix A will be norm of A times norm of A inverse in the one norm, and it will be 6 plus 10 to the minus 10 times 7 over 2. Okay. So what is so around 42 divided by 2 is around 21, yeah, because we ignore the small number. And similarly, you can compute the condition number of matrix B. So the matrix B, by the similar techniques, you can compute the condition number in the one norm of the matrix B, and it will be the one norm of the matrix B times the one norm of B inverse, and it will be around 3.599 10 to the 11. So it's make a big difference. So see, because the relative errors in X1 will be the condition number of the matrix A times the relative errors in the matrix A plus the relative errors in the vector B, and the relative errors in the vector X2 will be the condition number in the one norm of the matrix B times the relative errors in the matrix B plus the relative errors in the vector B. And you can see that the condition number B is so much bigger than the condition number A. So those two are the same, right? So then this one is much bigger than relative errors in the vector X1. So X1 is more accurate. So X1 is more accurate. Okay. So that's it.